Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Gold medalist Neeraj Chopra on his sporting journey, shopping intelligence, and a travel bucket list. They say life is a journey that must be traveled no matter how bad the roads and accommodations. Neeraj Chopra's journey to the top of the Olympic podium may have involved many a bumpy road and diverse accommodations, but it has always been an inspired one. It all began at the age of 13 when, as Podgi boy, he did take the bus from the Kandra, a village in Haryana, to the Sports Authority of India facility in Panipat, located about 15 km away. I returned from school and immediately changed into my exercise gear and headed to the bus stand. He says Chopra recalls waiting for long spells for bus since it was an hourly service. The return would be more complicated with frequency reduced at night. He would either hitch a ride on a bike with a tractor driver. The arduous lifestyle that also included a 1.5-kilometer walk from the bus stand to the SAI center reaching home. Sometimes as the late I didn't vex him, I am glad I never questioned why I needed to put myself through all of this. I just happily went about this life daily routine, he explains. At Sai Chopra had plenty of disciplines to pick, but it was throwing the javelin the furthest, which gave him instant joy. Although the rigor and discipline of the practice remains unchanged, the Chopra has learned to live their life down, balancing a demanding schedule with a unhurried luxury of shopping. He is particularly fond of beautiful clothes and shoes. On a recent visit to Delhi Emporium Mall, he headed to Louis Vuitton store to get one of his favorites. Muslims in Delhi Jamia Nagar moved court to protect temple prevent tensions in area. A petition has been moved by the Muslim residents of Jamia Nagar in Delhi against the alleged builder mafia attempting to demolish a Hindu temple in Noor Nagar area and trying to clear off communal tension. The petition filed in Delhi High Court has alleged that the builders are trying to demolish the temple with legal means and are also encroaching upon the temple land. The Delhi High Court has noted the submission made by the 206 Ward Committee of Jamia Nagar, saying Dharmashala of the Mandir has been demolished overnight in a haste and the entire area has been leveled so that the same can be encroached upon by illegally miscreants builder. The Delhi HC Bench of Justice Sanjeev Sanjay Deva ordered on September 24 police shall ensure that there is no legal unauthorized encroachment of the said area and the area which is shown as Mandir in the layout plan shall be preserved and protected. It further added it is very important to submit here that to create communal tension in the area and among the community, some unknown builders, miscreants having the backing of local builders, have started encroaching illegally, demolishing the mandir and the dharmashala situated at 184 Jori Farm, adjacent to Noor Nagar, by raising a building for the purpose of selling flats on the said mandir land and earning money by creating communal tension in the locality, having ulterior motive and with malified intention. Market block stumbles badly in Germany. Horse trading ahead. Germany's center-left Social Democrats outgoing Chancellor Angela Merkel's center-right bloc both laid claim Sunday to lead the country's next government, even as the projection showed the long-time leader's party heading for its worst-ever result in the national election. The outcome appeared to put Europe's biggest economy on course for lengthy hanging to form a new government while Merkel stays on in a caretaker role until a successor is sworn in. A three-party governing coalition with two opposition parties that have traditionally been in rival ideological camps. The environmentalist, green, and business friendly Free Democrats would provide the likeliest route to power for the both leading candidates. Only one of the three candidates to succeed, Merkel, who was not to run for a fifth term, looked happily after Sunday's vote. The Social Democrats Olaf Scholz, the outgoing Vice Chancellor and Finance Minister who pulled his party out of a years-long slump. The Greens, who made their first bid for the Chancellery, and co-leader Annalena Baerbock were running in the third place with 14.1%, while the pro-business Free Democrats had 11.5% of the vote according to the partial country. The other option was a repeat of the outgoing Grand Coalition of the Union and Social Democrats that has run Germany for 12 of Merkel's 16 years in the power, but there was little obvious appetite for that after years of government squabbling. The Free Democrats leader Christian Lindner appeared keen to govern, suggesting that his party and the Greens should make the first move.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.